is the stir-fried beef ribs using our electric skillet of salad master in just less than 20 minutes. Okay, so here's our ingredients. We have the beef ribs, we have asparagus, water with cornstarch, we have soy sauce, garlic, brown sugar, onion, oyster sauce, butter, and guys for watching on my video today. Please don't forget to subscribe Emily's Kitchen in my YouTube channel, and see you again next time.